Hey everybody, it's Mike here. Welcome to the channel. Well, we're in Plasticity once again, and we're going to create something cool. At least I hope so. Now, the thing with Plasticity is you just need to invest some time in it, right? If you do a lot of practice models like we're doing in the series, then you get a better understanding of the layout, of the UI, and you will gain more freedom when it comes to modeling whatever you like, right? So what we're going to do now is a request that I got. Somebody asked me to explain how to create a kind of a sheet of metal with semi-spherical indentations in it, right? That's quite specific, but that's a question I got. Right, so what we're going to do is we're going to grab a rectangle first, center rectangle. We're going to click and drag that out until we have our plate, something like this. We'll give it some thickness, so we'll get a face mode, click on it, and do that. That's more than enough, I would say. And then from here on out, it's actually quite simple. What we're going to do is we're going to jump to this view. We're going to go and grab a sphere. Let me put one right here. Right. Then what we're going to do is we're going to hit a G, move that over, move it down here. Create a rectangular array in this direction and click on OK. So now if we have a look, we got something looking like this. We're going to move that over. Have a look from the top. That looks to be about right. We're going to click on OK. Then I want another rectangular array in this direction. So let's do this, click on OK, and we're good. Now, what we're going to do now is we're going to hit a G to move this down until our spheres are pushing into the plate, right? We're going to click on OK. Now we're going to go and select this guy. We're going to hit Q on the keyboard, and then we're going to select all of these guys, and we're going to click on OK. And now we have a plate with semi-spherical indentations. So yeah, that's how you do it, right? It's pretty straightforward, but nevertheless, if you want to create something like this for your project and you don't know how, it can be kind of a pain, right? So yeah, there you go. If you have any requests of things you want me to do in Plasticity, please let me know in the comments, right? And I'll happily do so. That's it for me. Thank you guys so much for watching. See you guys in the next one. Bye.